All right, I am in beautiful Fairfax County in Oakton at Dreamfinder's Home, one of their amazing models. We are continuing our series. I'm going to be showing you guys different properties all throughout Northern Virginia. If you have any real estate questions, definitely comment below. So let's get right into it. We are at this amazing model. Prices go anywhere from $930,000 up to $980,000. Just a stunning location. But you can see here on the entryway over here, you have the garage. Then you walk over here to this room. So just a great downstairs area to chill if you want to just relax, stay cool in the hot summer, do your work and all that. But you guys are not going to believe the upstairs. So let's continue upstairs and take a look at this beautiful home. All right, so walking upstairs, mind is officially blown at this kitchen area. This is something so rare for our area. Again, they always knock it out of the park. So let me show you this place. So you obviously have this office space here. So if you're working at home, like most people are, great place to chill. And you can look out back and see this amazing outdoor area. This place has like two huge outdoor areas, has its own fireplace, but then you have another fireplace over here where you have this huge sitting room. And I love the way they did all the decor, the upgraded modern chandelier, all the built-in cabinetry. Now let's check out this amazing kitchen. I know I say the word amazing a lot, but it's not. It's hard to do it, hard not to say it so many times in these places. So you have this huge granite, which I have no idea how they even got this in here. The dishwasher, built-in farmhouse style sink there. The large kitchen area with the upgraded cabinetry, granite countertops. I love the backsplash they did. Great feature of this house is the dining room area. Because one of the things I really like, and I hear from a lot of home buyers, is they want everybody on the same level. So you could have the kids doing homework, someone working from home, and also have the dining room area here, or have somebody chilling outside. So plenty of space to do that. So let's go upstairs and continue the tour of this amazing property, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Let's keep going. All right, so now we are in the primary bedroom, which again is an amazing feature. I actually hit up my contractor and told him I wanted this wood decor going all around my bedroom and my place. This is amazing. So you have the large primary closet, which is just completely plenty of room if you got Jordans like me. Obviously, I've always had the Fly custom kicks on. Then you have this large bedroom with the huge windows that go out back. And like Dallas Airport is literally like 5 minutes away. So the location here is crazy. I see all kinds of big company buildings, Airbus, everybody. So walking over here, the bathroom is just immaculate. Bobby, I hope you can keep up. Obviously plenty of stuff to shoot in this amazing townhouse. You walk in here, I love the flooring. I've never really seen this before. Then you have a sink here, the large shower, which pretty much everyone now is preferring these types of showers instead of, baths. And you have another sink over here, powder room, so just an amazing bedroom. Let's check out the other two bedrooms. All right, so now we are in the other rooms here. So you have some walk-in closets. One of the things I really love are the large windows that go all the way up. They did a good thing, which I recommend people do. You see how the window treatments go all the way from floor to ceiling or ceiling to floor. That adds a huge feature to the bedroom as well. So interior decorators right now are doing a lot of that. Then you walk over here, we obviously have another bedroom, which we're showing you. And then you have this amazing full bath area as well. And then a really rare feature, again, what I thought they were really smart to do this, they put the washer and dryer here on this level, so you don't have to lug the kids' clothes up and down the stairs or go to the garage or whatever. Just a great spot for that. This place has an insane 4th level loft. If you're a Beatles fan, you will definitely like that as well. So let's go up there now. All right, one of the things Dreamfinder's Homes does is it just amazes me. Again, not something you see in Northern Virginia. We did a video for them in Leesburg, which I'll link below, that had the same feature. So they have this 4th level loft, and like I would never leave here. Bobby, could you see yourself like ever leaving this area? So they have the sink up here with the fridge, the wet bar, then obviously the amazing decor. They did a lot of the new modern style lighting, which I love. I love all the Beatles accents as well. Then you come out here if you want your mind blown. And also, like, you can kind of tell this model, the interior decorator just killed it. Like the bar cart and all that really in right now. Probably the most amazing feature is this outdoor living area. All right, so now we are at the outdoor 4th level loft, and like Bobby has to literally go change his camera lens because it's so nice and bright out here. So really beautiful area. So you have your own dining room area, your water spigot if you want to do some planting out here. Nice sitting room area. Again, super rare for Virginia, Northern Virginia, DC area. You can see so far away from this 4th level. So definitely subscribe to my channel. If you're thinking about buying or selling, email me at the email below or text me. Dream Home Finders, I also put their information in the description. Let us know where else you guys want to see. We're going all around Virginia, the DC area, and doing more of these videos. Shout out to Dream Finders Home. We put their information in there. Buy one of these for sure, and if you do, hit me up. As always, I'll see you at the top or from the top of Oakton, California, or wait a minute, Virginia. That's not where Snoop and Dre are from. So we'll see you at the top or from the top.